Right, so Doc, you are from Bear Creek Veterinary Care.
That's right.
One of the best vets in the area. We have introduced the dogs. It is my honor to introduce you, all right?
Oh, thank you.
Standing at 5'5" out of Purdue University, she enjoys checking the pulse of dogs and watching Drew Brees highlights on YouTube.
Sure.
It is Dr. DeWitt. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
The pride of Purdue University. We're so glad you're in the Springs. What makes your vet so unique and special?
Honestly, it's the people that really make it. So there's 3 of us vets and we have 11 support staff. Every single member of our staff is fear-free certified, meaning, you know the old stereotype, you go to the vet and the dog's scared, they don't want to be there? We don't do it like that. We want our patients to actually enjoy being there, or at the very least not be afraid, so we use a lot of positive reinforcement, a lot of treats, and then our support staff is great. The moment you get there, they're going to ask you if you want tea or coffee, they're going to be giving snacks to your dogs. It's a totally different experience.
And I think for anybody who's trying to adopt one of these 9 furry, lovable friends, what's great about your vet is for the first exam is free after you adopt an animal. Is that correct? That's
right. So if you're adopting from a shelter or rescue, a cat or a dog, your first exam is free because we like to encourage people to rescue animals.
What does that exam entail? What are you looking for here, Dr. DeWitt?
What doesn't it entail? So we're looking at them from tip to tail. So I'm checking out their teeth, making sure they're coming in normally, making sure they don't have any malformations. I'm looking at their eyes, their ears, their lymph nodes, checking their heart, making sure that it sounds nice and normal, making sure their umbilicus is healing well. If they've been spayed or neutered, that site's healing well. We're checking out every inch of them. Yep.
In terms of health and nutrients and food tips for a new pet owner,
yep.
what do you recommend?
Yeah, so it's going to depend on the age of your dog. If they're a puppy, then you want them on a puppy-specific diet. That's going to help their bones and ligaments develop. After about a year old, depending on the size of the dog, you're going to transition to an adult diet, and you want a food that includes grains. So we want to avoid grain-free food. It's been linked to heart disease in dogs, but as long as you have grains in there, there's lots and lots of good options.
What are some unfortunate maybe like bugs that are going on around for dogs that people need to be aware of, like worms or anything like that?
Yeah, so unfortunately we are getting a lot more heartworm and tick-borne disease here in Colorado than we used to get. Maybe didn't have that 10 years ago. So nowadays we're recommending every dog be on monthly heartworm and flea tick prevention. We have an old saying in medicine, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, so we'd be way better preventing them from getting these things than treating them once they have them.
You must look at Owen. He absolutely loves you, Doc. When did your love for dogs come to be? Probably when you were a kid, right?
Yeah, so I actually grew up wanting to be a Dalmatian, and I found out that wasn't physically possible. So my mom said that I could then treat Dalmatians, and that was the end of it. Yep.
How big is your team over at Bear Creek?
So there's 3 of us vets. I'm the head vet, and then we have 11 support staff, and they are the best support staff in the business.
Where are you located? How can people book an appointment? They just adopted a dog. They need their free exam right now, Dr. DeWitt.
That's right. Yeah, so we are off 8th Street, not too far from the Humane Society there, right by Motor City Drive. They can check out our website, bearcreekvet.com, or give us a call, and one of our people will help you out. 719-685-1177.
Doc, you're a hero in the community. The dogs really do love you. Owen, I think you're going home with Owen. Thanks so much, Dr. DeWitt. Book your new client appointment today. Visit the website that is shown on your screen if you have any questions at all. We'd also like to thank Bear Creek Veterinary Care for sponsoring this segment.